Hey guys, so welcome to Help Screen, and today I'm going to show you how to update Instagram on iPhone or Android. So, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to the Google Play Store into your device. And if you are using an Apple, it will be an App Store, and go for the search icon at the bottom and search bar at the top, and then search for Instagram. And now from here, tap on the Instagram. And when there is any update, you should be able to see here update instead of open. And what you could try to do is just simply select the three dots on the top right corner and enable the auto update so you won't miss any available updates in the future. Now, another thing that you should consider is you could just simply go ahead and go to the application and hold the application and just simply select uninstall and tap on OK. And from here, once it is uninstalled, just simply go back to the Google Play Store and just simply install it back again to have the latest version into your device. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.